Okay, so what is at stake here is the independence of the Senate and the physical safety of the senators. No? So, hindi namin talaga alam pa rin exactly what is happening. Pero it is very unfair to say na nag-jump to conclusions kami because yung reports po dito talaga by eyewitness accounts are NBI po yung nagpaputok daw. Hindi ko po alam kung totoo yan ha. Pero yan daw. So our concern now as the lawyers of Bato is to secure him. We are looking for him pero I think they are keeping his whereabouts confidential for the safety of everyone na lang. Speaker Alan has announced that hindi siya lalabas without Bato. No, hindi naman nag-commit ang lahat ng senators dyan. Although I think most of them are willing to say the same thing. Pero sinabi po ni Senator Alan that he will not leave the Senate without Senator Bato. Kasi nga, in light of the recent legal developments, wala naman pong dahilan upang madaliin ang aresto ni Bato. Even though no TRO was issued, it was not denied. Mali po yung mga balita na na-deny. Nakita naman natin dun sa Supreme Court page na binigyan po ng 72 hours na mag-answer yung mga mag-comment yung mga respondent, and then after that another 72 hours for Bato, kami po sa side namin, to file a reply. So hindi pa po tapos yung usapan legally, pero ibig sabihin wala pong pagmamadali na kailangan maganap. Okay, walang pagmamadali na kailangan maganap sa kanyang pag-aresto. So I don't understand all these rumors no, na parang biglang sasabihin nila na deny daw yung TRO. Sabi ko kami hindi pa namin alam eh. Kayo alam nyo na. So dahil wala namang denial of the TRO, although obviously his life is truly in danger from perhaps an unlawful arrest. No? So we don't know what we're going to do. But at least legally we know what to do, but physically mas umaasa pa kami kay Senator Robin kasi alam niya yung mga ganitong sitwasyon, and he has studied yung paano makalabas, no? So yun lang po, I just wanted to update you. Magbi-meeting yata yung mga lawyers sa loob. We are safe para daw sa amin, sa mga pamilya ko. We're safe, we are safe. Nililinaw ko lang po sa lahat ng nanonood, please remember itong sinasabi ko. Wala po akong sinasabi dito na allegations, puro reports lang yan, reports lang ng on the ground dito. Hindi ko sigurado kung NBI yan, si IDG, police, o some rogue citizen. Hindi ko po alam yan. Ang sinasabi ko sa inyo ay ang mga reports on the ground, yung mga sabi-sabi ng mga tao. So lahat po yan ay di umano, mga alleged statements only. Okay? We are only speaking up because we are threatened, we feel threatened, we are in lockdown, and we don't know what's happening. Kaya nag-live ako, malay nyo, hindi nyo na ako makita ulit, di ba? So that's the only reason why nag-live po ako. Ayan, nandito po kami ngayon sa Senado at nandito po ang ating mga senador. Marami pong mga kaganapan ng mga nakaraan na araw. Ay, hello. Halika yun. Sa mga nagtatanong po, si Senator Bato is alive and kicking. And nandito kami sa kanilang session because of as he's part of the team of lawyers. We are here to make sure that no unlawful arrest is effected today nor tomorrow. Kaya na session is resumed na, kung makabawal na to. Yan po si Senator Robin, si Amy, tsaka si Senator Bato nag-uusap.
We dispense with the reading of the journal of the 61st session, Wednesday, May 6, 2026.
Joel Villanueva.
Mr. President, before we do that, maybe the gentleman from Cavite, Senator Ping Lacson, is seeking the floor. And that he be recognized.
Yan, si Senator Lacson is asking for the floor.
Before we approve the
Ano kaya
journal,
sasabihin?
after the motion, the acting majority leader, I have a parliamentary question. Yesterday, two motions were made. The first one made by Senator Villanueva, citing in contempt of the Senate the NBI agents who allegedly tried to prevent Senator De La Rosa from attending yesterday's session.
Pinag-uusapan yung NBI.
Concerning the proposed amendments to the rules the motion made by Senator Marcoleta. On the first motion, Mr. President, I would just like to ask
Ayan po
how
si
my
Bato.
vote was counted.
Si Bato is well and good and safe. May tinatanong si Senator Lacson kung nabilang daw ba yung boto niya at kung paano.
There was no division of the
I
House.
have a copy of the ESN of yesterday's session, Mr. President.
So baka ka-questionin niya yung brother. Yung voting on the
And I quote on each part.
coup
Which
d'etat.
led to the body's unanimous consent to move that we cite in contempt those individuals running after
Brother,
Senator
dami
Rosa
nanonood.
Oo nga. Ay,
1,700.
magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Magandang araw po. Nandito kami sa Senado, no? Para kay Senator Bato. Pasag lang tayo, ha? Nandito
absent from
Senator
session at the
Bato.
moment.
Kasama ko ang ating pugi na brother. At
At that
saka
time, we were at the lounge.
associate na lawyer na pugi rin. Ako lang hindi masyado pugi dito. Pero may pagkapugi din.
Tsaka may laban.
Oh, yun. Laban tayo.
We were at the lounge and we were
So anyway,
proceedings.
do you think pag-uusapan ngayon yung
And to say that
pag-uusapan ngayon yung botohan kahapon?
my vote is counted along with the others.
Si Ma'am
because it's
Amy.
unanimous. That's why I stood up before we approved the journal.
For a full explanation of that, I will refer to
Live ako, ilalayo ko baka sikreto yan
that is the tradition of this chamber. When we pass resolutions and there's no objection, whoever is present during that time is counted as to have voted
Yan,
for
so
it. That has been the tradition even during the time of Senator Soto.
Thank you, Mr. President.
That is the inquiry
Yung pinag-uusapan,
so that we can set straight our rules and the records.
it's one of the first sessions presided over by the new Senate President. So, Alan is
Except that the Rule 41,
a seasoned parliamentarian. No? So, wala naman tayong tanong.
Pagka wala yung senador sa session hall at the moment, he is called to vote, shall not
Okay.
be counted.
Which, for example, the resolution against the Chinese ambassador, many of us were in the session hall. Pero nung sinabing no objection, kinount din lahat. So, in many areas, I see the gentleman's point, and if we want to be accurate, then let's ask the Committee on Rules, which
So,
includes the
pinag-uusapan.
minority, to come out with a
Nag-usapan
better
ni
proposal.
Lacson at ni
Let me
Cayetano
take
yung
this on
mga
record, Mr. President, that, my
procedure sa
manifestation,
botohan kapag absent.
does not in any way showing sympathy with the NBI
Grabe si
agents
Fanny.
who grappled with our colleague here. In the first place, Senator
Oh, sige.
Rosa is a fellow cavalier, not to mention a former subordinate in the defunct Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Task Force, and he's a fellow senator.
That's very,
So, just to
yes, that's
just to
very
set
well
the
taken.
record straight.
And for the record, Senator Lacson has always stood up if he thinks that there's a misapplication of the rules. But just on that point of the NBI, I think we're far from going into the whole
Pinag-uusapan nila yung
early this morning, between 7 a.m.,
pagpasok
I was
ng NBI
watching
at yung
the
pagbugbog dun
I
sa
saw, I do not know whose
Sergeant
vehicle
Atams.
this was, the white vehicle with
Sa-
7, lumalabas ng Senate, pinipilit ng NBI na ocular inspection at tignan sa loob, which is
Ma'am, say. Oo, say hi
a
naman. Say hi
violation
naman.
with anywhere in the country, but right outside the
Kasama natin ang matapang na Senator Amy.
Ito na yung mga backup dancer ni Bato at ni Inday.
Thank you,
Hello.
Senator Lacson, for
Thank you,
making
Mama.
that nuance that you are
Senator
talking
Amy.
about the rules, not the sentiment of the Senate to protect our integrity.
On the substantive aspect
Yan po
my
si Senator Bato.
Mr. President.
Parang wala pa si BG
Para
yan.
lang hindi naman ulit kasi meron tayong jurisprudence, yung Ong. Remember Lincoln Ong of the formerly controversy? GR number 257401. Bago po ito yung leading case, March 2023. Sinabi ng Supreme Court, and I'll just mention the separate concurring opinion of the no less than the Chief Justice, Alex Gismundo. Sinabi rito, as succinctly pointed out by the Chief Justice, Alexander G. Gismundo, witnesses who are charged by Congress with giving false or evasive test, this is pertaining to the committee hearings, pero must be accorded stricter due process. So yung nangyari kahapon, Mr. President, and I was about to ask again if it was a direct contempt or an indirect contempt. Because if it was an indirect contempt, all the more that they should have been asked to explain first before they were cited in contempt of the Senate and thereafter taken under the custody of the Senate. So procedurally incorrect or infirm yung ating ginawa. Kaya ko lang pinapoint out para i-correct lang natin yung ating sarili.
So, the minority leader, the former Senate President, first before I comment.
Yes, Mr. President. I yield.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Ito si Tito Soto na.
Do I take it that you mean that the practice that we've had before is that when a vote is taken and no one objects, those who answer the call of the roll are deemed present and are deemed that have approved.
I found out when they voted on the resolution where I interpolated Senator Pangilinan. So I was in my room, not on the floor. And I was explained to me that that's the procedure. So even under your Senate presidency minority leader. So that's why I was answering Senator Lacson that I see his point, but to my knowledge, that is the tradition.
Yes, I agree.
Period.
I
Period.
agree, with what you said in your answer to Senator Lacson. But my point, Mr. President, then in that case, then one of us or I who have voted in favor based on a tradition would like a reconsideration, a motion for reconsideration of the motion for contempt.
To contempt.
Not because it is...
So pinag-uusapan pa rin yung contempt dun sa mga NBI.
It's not about, it's not have anything to do with the people of the NBI or us or anything like that. It's only based on rules.
Yes.
Why? So can be moved for a reconsideration, Mr. President, so I can explain why.
That is your right, Minority Leader.
All right, thank you,
So
sir.
anyone who on record voted for any motion has the right during the next day, and actually we're in the same session day, within 2 session days, and technically we're in the same session day. So it's your right to move for reconsideration. Then the Majority Leader will either adhere or will object.
All right, correct. Thank you, Mr. President. Now, here's the point. Based on our rules, the rules of the Senate, and it is consistent with the fact of the contempt of power of the Senate is limited only during inquiries in aid of legislation. This is what the Committee on Rules will have to tackle in that particular motion to cite and contempt anyone from the session hall. The impeachment court is empowered too, but not the Senate. I cannot find it in the rules. So, in Section 18 of the Senate Resolution Number 5, the rules of procedure governing inquiries and in aid of legislation provides that a chairman, with the concurrence of at least one member of the committee,
Section 5 daw.
may banish or cite in contempt any witness before a committee who disobeys any order of the committee or refuses to be sworn or testify or for falsely or evasively testifying. Further, as emphasized in this Senate Resolution 145, the power of contempt is inherent to the enforcement of the right to conduct inquiries in aid of legislation. So, in fact, Senate Resolution 237, such power of contempt was delegated to the subcommittees as they comprise the same membership
18.
as the main committee and should have the committee's full powers, including the power to cite and punish witnesses in contempt. All right. Now, the other instance that we are allowed to the power of contempt is during impeachment proceedings constituted as an impeachment court, not as a Senate, only in committee hearings in aid of legislation.
So nakalagay sa section 18, the chairman with the concurrence of at least one member may punish or cite in contempt. One member of the committee may punish, cite in contempt any witness before the committee disobeys any order of the committee or refuses to be sworn or to testify or to answer proper question by the committee or any of its members, or testifies falsely or evasively or unduly refuses to appear or bring before the committee certain documents in need of the evidence, preventing and examining the issuance of the appropriate subpoena. A majority of all the members of the committee, all yan may however reverse or modify the aforesaid order of contempt in 7 days. A contempt of the committee shall be deemed the contempt of the Senate. Such witness may be ordered in the committee to be detained in such place as
Right away without consulting with the Committee on Rules to find out whether this is correct or not. That we can only cite in contempt. The Senate can cite in contempt when we are in aid of legislation and we are
Yun yung pinapoint out nila.
so maybe
Before we have a ruling, let me just expound on the decision yesterday.
Ito yung explanation ni Senator Alan Cayetano,
The chair
Senate
yesterday
President
mentioned
Alan Cayetano.
that in several Supreme Court decisions as